I don't even know how to face you people. It's been ages I faced camera like this to make video, like actual video for YouTube, sit down video, stand up video, vlog. Take a deep breath. Actually feels like I'm starting from the beginning because it's been ages. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. If you are an OG, you are a subscriber, I really appreciate your clicking in. Thank you so much. It's an update video, like giving you guys updates, what's been going on in this channel or what have been going on with me. It's actually how we are going to be taking up this channel from here. First of all, there is a very big update that I'll be sharing with you guys, and it's something that I feel so excited about. Not only excited, I'm so nervous as well because I don't really know what to expect, but then we will go through it together, and at the end we will all smile and learn something new and grow. Okay, I've been away for over a year because actually the videos I've been posting were made years back, like 2 years back, and I've been so lazy. Like throughout 2025 I didn't sit down or pick up my camera to make any videos. That's why I feel like it has been a year or even more than a year, because I haven't actually picked up my camera to make any video since last year, since 2025. Throughout the year 2025, from January to December, I didn't make any single video, not even shorts. My lip was actually dried and I had to moisturize it. Sorry if I'm looking elsewhere. This thing feels like new to me. I didn't make video throughout the year 2025, and this is 2026, guys. And this is actually the month of March. Like throughout January, February, I didn't make video, but trust me, I am coming back. This is actually the first video that I'm making this year. I've succeeded to post all the videos that I had from last 2 years. So any video that you are seeing from now onwards is actually a new video and a new me, actually. Yeah. A few days ago, I put up a post in my community and I was actually trying to explain to you guys what actually happened. But nothing happened. I just got tired. I just got exhausted. I lost the zeal, and I felt like all the people that I know that we do this thing together had all left me. Like they were all taking a break, which some of them, the break took longer than usual. And at some point I got tired, I lost motivation, and I wouldn't say I quit because I am here. I am here actually. So I didn't quit. I am here. Yeah, I am here. Hopefully, God's willing, God will see us through. God will help us to, push. Currently, our channel is lost. Like, it's lost in the algorithm. I feel so, or I think so. But hopefully, it will be picking up again with consistency. I wouldn't promise maybe much more video in a week because I have a business. Yeah, I have a business that is actually taking my time, like some of my time now. It's overwhelming, but I thank God for. I think I'm ranting. That's by the way. The most important thing is that we are coming back, and guess what? We are coming back in a different form. Please ignore the noise. Some people are actually walking outside, and I can't really go outside and tell them to stop making noise because they are all adults, okay? And children are also on holiday, so they are playing around. The major updates that I actually want to bring into this channel is that we are transitioning. Yeah, we are transitioning from relaxed hair to natural hair, okay? That's why I said I feel so excited, to share this, and also nervous because I really do not know what to expect, okay? For someone that didn't like keeping hair from the beginning. In my single life, I was on low cut because I didn't really know how to keep my natural hair or how to maintain my natural hair. But I think I have learned a lot, okay? Why am I transitioning from relaxed hair to natural hair? I know most of you will be asking that in your mind, or actually trying to find out. Yeah, I'm transitioning because I am tired. Personally, I didn't really have any problem with relaxer because I felt like I was using a very good brand. Yeah, I was using a very good brand, but I felt like I just want to go natural. I just want to go natural because I want to feel me, even though it's not easy. Like these few months haven't really been easy, but then I've read and heard a couple of things that relaxer actually does to women, and I wouldn't want to be part of it. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be part of it. As human being, I always believe that we will try our own best. You do the one you can actually handle and leave the rest to God. Okay, if actually something wants to come upon you, you don't really need to do some things or to do some things for it to come. I don't know if you're getting me, but I felt like since they say, okay, this thing does this, and all of that, I need to give a break to avoid stories that touches the heart. Once I start having doubts, I will leave it. So I heard a lot about relaxer, even though I read that it's only those that contain some certain ingredients in them that actually causes all of those things. But then I had to give up my own. Yeah, even though I enjoyed the era, my relaxed hair era, because my hair was always soft, silky. If you know me, you know that I have had a very long hair. Not really very, but I had a healthy, relaxed hair, okay, which I was actually enjoying. But then, I didn't want to be among those unlucky ones. And another thing is that when I started using Ayurvedic products on my relaxed hair, I noticed a lot and a lot of, difference, like a lot of changes in my relaxed hair. So I was wondering, what if I have a natural, unrelaxed hair, and I am doing all this? What's going to happen? That means the hair is going to feel much more better in its kinky form, because my hair is actually I don't know if I would classify it as tough, but it's not soft. From now onwards, even though I'm still transitioning. I think I relaxed my hair ending of last year. That was the last time I relaxed my hair, around October. That was the last time I relaxed my hair. And yeah, I think it should be about 3 to 4 months past my relaxed hair, but I am not going to relax it again. I need to get another mic. My mic got bad, and I don't have mic presently because this noise is actually much. So from now onwards, we'll be trying out different herbs, different Ayurvedas, and a lot of all those natural hair care, recipes or remedies that actually grows and maintains hair. So we are going to be trying all of that and see how far we are going. I will not be able to show you my hair now because my hair is actually very rough, like very, very rough. I started taking it down last night, but I wasn't able to complete it, and it's just everywhere. The hair is actually very rough. So, but you'll be seeing it subsequently. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Join the channel so that we will do this together. Okay, if you are a natural hair lover, or you are also looking to incorporate Ayurvedas or herbs or anything natural into your hair growth journey, this is a channel for you. We can do it together. We can, let's grow together, let's grow the hair together, let's try new things together, and also share my experiences with the stuffs or Ayurvedas that I have tried. Okay, so I think that would be it for now. I don't even know if I actually made sense, because I've been babbling all around. But in all, just know that we are transitioning and we are back. Yes, we are back. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this extent, don't forget to stay safe out there. See you in my next video. Bye.